Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell you how you can easily fix your error. So if add friend option on Facebook is missing, so how you can fix it. So for fixing it, first thing, just try to close your Facebook app and just open again. And if it doesn't help you, just check your internet connection. So just go to the settings. In the settings you need to find Wi-Fi. Just try to turn off and turn on again your Wi-Fi, and if you're using mobile data, just turn off and turn on your mobile data. Also you can try to turn on airplane mode, wait a few seconds and just turn it off. And if it doesn't help you, you can also try another way. So just go to the general, just scroll down, just tap on shutdown, slide to power off, wait a few seconds and just power on your phone again. And if it doesn't help you, just go to App Store and just check, just go to search, just write Facebook and just check if you have available updates for your Facebook app. So if you see here get, just update not open but update, it means that you have available updates. Just tap on update and it will successfully download and install the latest updates on your Facebook app. So this is the way how you can also fix it. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.